Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how you can use your press-on nails as a form for your polygel nails. So I'm going to be doing polygel, but I'm using my press-on nails that I've used in previous videos. I find it a lot easier and more fitting to my nail because the dual forms, if you don't have dual forms, you can use this. But I'm doing this because the dual forms are too skinny. Like I have a chunkier nails, I guess. Chunkier nail bed, I don't know. But I find that the press-on nails are much better. You know what I mean. Please continue to watch this video so that you can learn too. Alright guys, so I already picked out for each finger the size that I use for my press-on nails. So what you want to get is, if you have purchased a kit for polygel, you probably already have everything that comes with it. So I purchased the Gershon, I want to say, or Gershon, from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. It comes with many colors, but I'm going to be using white today. Check out my other videos so you can see everything that comes in that kit. But today we'll be using the soak off base coat and top coat, if you can see that. And then you want to get your own 90% alcohol. I put it in a different little container. That's what I use to really get the gel not to be super sticky. Comes with this spatula and the brush. All right. This didn't come with the kit. I purchased nail prep, dehydrator, and nail primer. That's what I like to use. That keeps them on super long. Little secret. Make sure you guys get that, because if you want your nails, if you're used to your nails lasting 3 weeks or more, you want to have that. All right, guys. So I have. And also you want a UV or LED light. I purchased that from Amazon as well. Okay, so I'm going to be using the white polygel. So let me just prep my nails a bit. I took off my last set because it lasted a while, but I took it off because I really wanted to do them over again because I feel like I'm getting so much better at applying them. So I'm just going to shave down my nail bed a little bit. I did bite my nails this time, sorry guys. But I'm just going to shave down a little bit. Fingernails have oil on them, so that's why it's best to use the dehydrator. Oops, sorry. The dehydrator, because you can't really see it with the naked eye. So let's get started. So I'm going to speed through this quickly. I'm going to put the dehydrator on first, starting with my thumb. Now the primer, follow it up with the primer. Can you see that? Alright, I like to keep everything while I'm working a little bit open. So I have to keep twisting it on and off. I'm going to do the base coat. When you apply base coat, you want to make sure you cure it for at least 90 seconds. You know, just do a little because it is super thick. Alrighty. Alright. I'm going to get that gel out. Oops. I like to have everything ready. Yeah, it's a little hard. But I like polygel. It's easier to work with. It's beginner friendly. I like to dip my spatula in the, what's it called? The alcohol, just to make it super easy. Okay. I'm going to put this on. I'm just going to shape it. You want to make it very thin, close to the cuticle. And If you need to add more, you can. Like if you didn't put enough on the nail. And you want to make sure the sides all have enough. Like I've done that where I've accidentally put too little on the sides and it was just too skinny. I still have like glitter on my brush from the last application. Sorry about the glitter, guys. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and apply that to the nail. I'm going to slide that down. I'm not going to squish it too hard, just enough. And then I'm just going to clean up if I got any excess. I just want to clean it up, you know. And you always want to make sure you turn it around. Before curing, you turn it around and just make sure it's thinned out because you don't want it to be super thick. You want a nice nail. See what I'm saying? Can you see that? Alright. It slides a little bit. Just fix it. Put it back in place. Sorry guys, I'm not doing this properly. Okay, there we go. If it slides, just put it back in place properly. Alright. And you want to cure that for 2 minutes. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm just going to just pop that off. Alrighty. And now we can file. Oops, sorry guys. So today I don't have my e-file, but I'm just going to be using a regular file. It takes a bit longer, just be patient, you know. Get it a little thinner around the layer, the cuticle. So I'm just going to add a little bit more to the cuticle part, taking my spatula dipped in alcohol and put it on top. Okay. Now I'm going to sorry guys, I'm breathing really loud. My thumb has always been a problem to try to find the right sizes. I don't know if people have tiny thumbs or just smaller fingers, you know, but whatever. It is what it is. Alright, so I'm going to cure that. I know it's a little lumpy, but I'll file it down. Alright, so there you have it. I'm just going to file it down a little bit more. Okay guys, so that looks perfectly fine. Nice little nail. Now I'm going to apply the top coat and then cure one last time. There we go. Alright, so there you have it. A well done nail. Okay guys, so I'm going to do the rest off camera. and show you guys when I'm finished. Okay. Okay guys, so this is actually without the paint on. Sorry, that's my daughter's hand, excuse me. This is out with the without the paint on it. I did my nails on every finger. Well, I did all my all my nails, and I'm just going to finish them up. I'm just going to finish them up by making them pretty. Please put that down. I'm using this color, which is Scarlet. It's from Sally Hansen collection. The Complete Salon Manicure.
Hi.
That's my daughter. Alright. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I mean, obviously, I can get a little bit better around the cuticle, but I think it looks really good. I did a little bedazzling. I think it looks really good. So I hope you guys like this look.